Alright, here we go. We got some new Bohemian ballistics gel from Smoky Oak. So we're going to be doing some ballistics gel shooting here for y'all today. We're doing the deep penetration with the Winchester Super X 180 grain power point. And we're going to see how far we can drill it into the wood. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. Alright, here we go. I got the 350 Legend. Here's the results of the deep penetration with the Super X power points we've got going in. And so I can see what I'm doing here too. Yeah, we got it going in, and we have no exit. So let's see what we got going on with the 350 Legend. How far we going in? Any bets? Any bets? Any guesses? Any guesses? All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. We're in the first board, and son of a bitch. Well, it's gonna be one of those little wannabe problems. It's knotty wood. Knotty wood. Here we go. In. Nice hole going in. Coming out. Getting a little bigger. Y'all can't see that. Yep. So we're going, wow, we're even getting bigger. It's even better. So we're into the third one. Out the third one. Hole looks like it's about stabilizing in size. Now it looks like a little bigger. Might have a tumble going. Maybe not, no. That's probably still expanding. Yeah. There you go. So we're now into 1, 2, 3, 4. This is into the fifth board. Fifth board. Oh, crappers. Here we go, into the fifth board. There we got the bullet. Punch through the fifth board, indention into the sixth, and I'm not going to screw up my knife blade trying to get that one out. But as you can see, so we went through 1, 2, 3, 4, penetrated 5 boards, put an indention into the 6th board. That's pretty good. That is really good. I like that. I like that a lot. So there you go. 350 Legend. Definitely holding up to the measures.